Thank you. My name is Robert Tanguay. I am a resident of Manchester, New Hampshire. I live in Bodwell. I have 2 children that are very young that I have not seen in almost a year now at this point in time. I called the Manchester Police on July 25th, 2022, twice while at my full-time job because the mother took my children and hid their location out of state without telling me until the day, and I still do not know where they took them. That is a crime. It's called 633:4 interference with custody. There is no justification for it per statute, and it is also a form of domestic violence. In light of this, I brought this to the police's attention, and then pretty much every agency possible, and this was prior to a parenting petition being filed in the Manchester Family Court, where there is, as some of the members may know, extreme issues with the family courts in the state of New Hampshire. There's a lot of families who aren't getting what they deserve and their rights. Article 14 of the New Hampshire Constitution, legal remedies are to be free, just, and prompt, is the law of the land. Article 15 is the right of the accused, which entitles anybody accused or despoiled of any of their liberties the right to due process. That due process is a foundation of our Constitution and this city government. According to the mayor's 2.07 charter, section G, as I've been trying to reach the mayor and Emily Rice about this problem, they have the duty to law enforcement authority. The mayor shall enforce, direct, or other officials to enforce ordinances within the city, this charter, and all special acts and laws applicable to the city. So when I brought this to the police's attention, and it's still dealing with this, and there's hundreds of calls, which there's a 91A request, Mayor, I'm still being treated poorly. And instead of helping me and responding to my complaint, they hired a lawyer, and they're using our money, our city's money, to hire a lawyer instead of doing their duty, which is to investigate crimes and not botch investigations. They are prejudiced. The city and state is prejudiced against men and do not investigate crimes of domestic violence against men.
30 seconds.
Mostly. And there's a record of that. There's a record of the police referring to men that claim domestic violence or have domestic violence civilly brought against them without any charges or police calls is referred to as the male half. And so I just ask you guys to, I'm going to be sending you all information, and eventually you will be seeing a lawsuit, and that will be because the mayor has not done their duty, and neither has Emily Rice, to administer the police appropriately.
3 minutes.
Respond to me at any moment. Thank you very much.
That concludes our list of speakers, Your Honor. I will note for the record that communication from Attorney Peter Doyle has been distributed to the board.
Is there anyone else present wishing to speak?